Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. Now we're doing the OPPO Reno 8 Pro House of Dragon. So now let's start with the by four the 617 large AMLED screen on display. Fingerprint MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max MT68957 chipset, massive 120 12 GB RAM, 256 GB inbuilt storage, and runs on version Android 12. Storage is restricted. Be aware. Now let's go to the verdict.
Verdict. Verdict of this phone. The OPPO Reno 8 Pro House of Dragon Edition is a flagship smartphone that features a powerful processor while streaming your favorite series on the wide AMOLED. You get a smooth visual experience. In terms of camera as well, the device provides satisfactory output to users despite low lighting. Let's go to the display and camera.
So now display and camera. So Oppo Reno 8 Pro House of Dragon Edition comes with 6.7 inch 7-inch AMOLED display that refresh rate of 120 Hz. The screen resolution of Oppo Reno 8 Pro is 12 pixels, and then dimensity is the 394 ppi. 394 ppi. Furthermore, the device comes with a cornering glass 5 along with a punch hole display. These three cameras are placed on the back of the Oppo Reno 8 Pro. House of Dragon edition, the camera setup comprise 50 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and 2 megapixel along with the LED flash. The smartphone provides features like digital zoom, touch to focus, face detection, auto flash. Moreover, Oppo Reno 8 Pro House of Dragon Edition front side features 32 megapixel front camera that ensures a fixed focus feature.
Configuration battery. To maintain the performance of OPPO Reno 8 Pro House of Dragon Edition, the brand provides a MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max MT6895Z chipset along with a 2.58 GHz octa-core processor. Additionally, 12 GB of RAM and Mali G610 MC6 GPU. Further the cost. The OPPO Reno 8 Pro House of Dragon Edition gets discharged from an 80 watt of VOC charging system inside the phone. A non-removable polymer 4500 mAh battery is placed. Let's go storage and connectivity of this phone.
So now storage and connectivity, the brand installed restricted 128 GB internal storage inside the Xiaomi 30 Pro. Wait, okay, so storage and connectivity Oppo Reno 8 Pro House of Dragon Edition presents the UFC 3.1 256 GB non-expandable storage. Some of the device's connectivity elements are 5 GB, 5G, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth version 5.3, Wi-Fi 6, 5H GHC, MIMO, GPS GLONASS, and Volt networks. This is another. Thanks for watching our video. That's all. I'm Daniel.
My name is John. This is taken signing off.